Hello everyone, so today in this video I will show you how you can install a free SSL certificate on your website. So this is my website. You can see here the SSL is not installed and it is giving warnings on HTTPS mode. So let me also just show you this in whynopadlock.com. In this type of website, this is a tool. So here you can check the SSL certificate is installed or not on your website. So it's processing. Later in this video I will show you how you can install a free SSL. Okay, so here you can see that your SSL certificate doesn't match your domain name. So there are that valid certificate and signature and expiry date are showing correct because there was an SSL installed previously. So this is right now no SSL installed and we will install a free SSL. Okay, so you need to go to 0 SSL. Okay, we will use 0 SSL, free SSL. Okay, yes. Sorry. So here on 0 SSL you need to create a free account, like put your email ID and password. I will give you the link for 0 SSL in the description or comment pin. Okay, enter your desired password, click on continue. So here the dashboard appears and you have to click on new certificate. Okay, so the wild card certificate is only for premium version, and here you need to select your domain name, select 90 days certificate, and you can renew this certificate after 90 days. So in this free plan we get 3 certificates for 90 days. Okay, and if you want more then you need to go to paid version, but this free version is good and easy to use. Okay, yes, your certificate has been created and ready to use. So there are 3 verification methods like email verification. So you need to create any one email out of these 5 and they will send an email and you have to verify that. Next one is DNS. So you need to enter the CNAME in your domain name. And third one is HTTP file upload. So here in this tutorial we will use HTTP file upload. So you just need to click on download auth file and it will give you a file, text file, and you need to create this directory .well-known. So for this we need to go to our cpanel and file manager, and then we will navigate to our domain. Yes, in this domain, in root directory, we have to create a folder with this name .well-known, and in that folder we have to create a new folder pki okay, so first we create this folder .well-known. Okay, so it is showing that file is already exist. Okay, yeah, that might be because we already installed a different SSL on this server. So you have to go to that dot files are hidden files sometimes. So you need to click on the settings and show hidden files, check this box and save. Okay, so yes, here you already have this .well-known and then validation file folder. So we need to upload this file in this folder. Yes, it is uploaded. We can see that refreshed. Yes, it's uploaded today. Okay, so now we just need to click on this next step, and yes, congratulations, your certificate is en route. Okay, your domain has been verified. Yes, okay, so our SSL certificate will be ready within few seconds. 0 SSL is one of the best free SSL provider and it's very easy to use. Okay, yes, your certificate has been created and is ready for installation. So on this button we can install our certificate, download our certificate folder. So it will give us a yeah, that is the same certificate. So they will give us zip file which includes our certificate and other important things. So we need to open that zip file, navigate where that is downloaded. Yes, here. Okay, you need to find where is your download files going. So okay, it's a zip file, I need to extract it. Yes, here you can say ca_bundle.crt, certificate.crt and private key. These three keys or certificates are provided to you. So now we have to install it, and we have to go to cpanel, and in cpanel you have to search SSL and then click on SSL/TSL TLS, sorry, and then we need to go to this manage SSL in the last. Okay, yes, this is correct. So here we need to select our domain name, for which domain we are entering this SSL. Okay, so here I selected my domain, and here you can see the first column is for certificate. Yes, this one is for certificate. So here we need to open. See, make sure that you enter correct code for correct file. So first one is for certificate, then we have to paste the certificate code. So you have to open these files in your editors. Like here I using Sublime text editor. So open the text or file like that and just copy and paste it here. Okay, so don't click on anything now. Next one. Okay, let me just close it first. And the next one is private key. So now we have to open this private key. Okay, same process. Open this file in your text editor. Yes, now just copy this key and paste it in this private key place. Okay, so third one is certificate authority. Okay, so we have to CA bundle. Yes, certificate authority bundle. Same process. Open this file in your text editor and then copy the text and paste it here. Okay, got it. So after that you have to just click on this install certificate button in the bottom. Yes, amazing. Now it will take few seconds, and yes, SSL host successfully installed. So it is showing that the SSL certificate is now installed on our web server. So here you can see that yes, these domains and this www version are secured, and here are few actions. Here is the date of expiry. Okay, so check installation, we can check here. Yes, congratulations. Yes, okay, so here you can click on start new SSL if you want to add it on any another website. So here we have 90 days certificate, so one is used, two remaining. Okay, so here you can see expiry also and other things. So let us just check the website front end. Yes, so you can see that this is working pretty much fine. Okay, good. So our SSL is successfully installed. We can see that here it is showing verified by 0 SSL. So this free SSL is running fine. So we can also check it in whynopadlock.com. It's running. Okay, yes, running fine. So don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button, and ask your questions about SSL and website development, including WordPress tutorials. ask me anything in the comment box and I will answer you. Thank you.